I listened to a young man called Kinganda, and he was talking about the situation between Arikana Chihombori-Quao and the decisions that people are making to go to Burkina Faso because they thought they would get citizenship there.
I would like to bring public awareness to an alleged scam involving Dr. Arikana Chihombori-Quao and her organization known as the ADDI, African Diaspora Development Institute.
Well, tides have turned, and not in defense of Arikana, but in defense of the things that she's been able to accomplish. And you know what? There's some things we do that are wrong, and we need to address those things. But we can't throw the whole pie out, or we can't throw the whole barrel of apples out because one of the apples is rotten.
That I think if the individual had just put a call to me, Ambassador, this is what I'm hearing. What do you have to say? Before they started spewing lies.
Don't just watch, act, learn the history, share the truth, stand for justice, and be part of the change.
Hey, this is Janetta, and you're watching Africa Speaks.